Every airplane has a destination, but the true destination is not just the airport. The true destination is that door where a mother waits for her son, where children eagerly long to embrace their father. All journeys in the world come to an end, but the journey home never grows old. The airplane brings us back to Earth, but home, it brings us back to our hearts. In that embrace, the chaos of the world fades away, and all that matters is the comfort of being home. As the sun sets, bonds strengthen, reminding us that in every moment spent together we find our true happiness. In those moments of togetherness, we realize that this is where we truly belong, surrounded by love, laughter, and life. Every picture tells a story, each memory etched in our hearts illustrating the beautiful journey of being a family. With each dawn, new moments await us. As life unfolds, we cherish these small gatherings that mean so much. In laughter and play, we find joy, creating memories that will last a lifetime with each passing day. As night falls, the warmth of our bonds shines brighter, reminding us that love is the light guiding us home.